If this has got any, this has got it. Ooh, that's pretty cool. This has got to have his stuff. Oh, sake Kit Kat. I gotta try it.
You gotta get that.
Are you kidding me?
Alright.
This is the elegant taste of sake. Find you here. Did you explore the rest of this level?
No, I never made it any further than this.
Right.
Just checking everything out.
You check out your fun corner. I'm gonna make my round.
Alright.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Austin BVL Games, and you're watching Big Tony.
So today, got a little review, doing some Kit Kat reviews, and I got this on because I'm using this mic on my computer, so that's why. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 flavors to test. Number 1, Kit Kat, Japan Sake. Japan Sake. Okay. Number 2, we'll have apple. Then we got ume sake. Orange chocolate. Sakura chocolate. I think it's like a red bean paste type of treat. I'm not really sure. I think it's dark chocolate. And I'm not sure what this is. Some sort of grain chocolate. So what we're going to do, we're going to close my eyes, mix them up. Choose the first one. Apple. So, looks like a normal Kit Kat bar here. Oops. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. 1 second. Drop the chocolate on the ground. Oh man. If you like apple and chocolate, dropped it again. If you like apple and chocolate, this is perfect apple taste. It's like nice and crisp apple. Tastes like a real apple, like apple juice. So good. So good. I mean, it's the first one. Let's go into number 2 here. Number 2, we got the ume sake. Ooh, it's white. Probably like a white chocolate type. Ooh. Very strong smell. Mmm. That's good. Tastes like kind of like an apple sake. You can actually taste like sake essence. Mmm. That was really good. I'd say it's like almost level to the apple one. Both amazing. Would have again. Number 3. Ooh, the Japan sake. The another sake, and it's white again. Smell it. Whoa. At first, didn't really taste like much, but as I'm chewing it, very, very strong sake flavor in chocolate form. It's good. So it's like different than the other sake one, but they're a little similar. It's kind of like appley as well. So that one's a good one. I'll rate them all at the end, but we're going with this that I think is some sort of bean paste treat. Ah, the coloring is it's like a tan, tan coloring here. Ooh, oh, it's very strong flavor. Definitely, you can definitely taste the bean paste. And I like red bean paste, but in chocolate form, um, not really a big fan of chocolate form. I don't know about that one. Let's go here, halfway done. We got orange. I mean, I've had orange chocolate before, so, but not in the Kit Kat, so let's see. It's a little bit melted, but should be good. Oh man. Mm. I mean, if you like orange and chocolate, just like the apple chocolate, tastes just like an orange. So good. Mm. Mm. Chocolate orange, simple, but so good. Three left. We got what I think is the dark chocolate. It's also a bit melted. I think it looks a bit darker, but it smells darker. Mm. I think it's a nice dark chocolate. Solid. Can't go wrong with dark chocolate. It is the best chocolate. That right there would be the best Kit Kat for like the default Kit Kat instead of the normal ones like that dark chocolate right there. It's just perfect. Last one or second to oh, we got some sort of grain looking one, I believe. It's also tan, but a lighter tan than the other. Mm. 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 Doesn't really taste like chocolate. Tastes like I'm eating a consistency of chocolate Kit Kat, but the flavor, it's like I'm eating like a whole grain cracker. Flavor of a whole grain cracker with the consistency of a Kit Kat without chocolate flavor. And we have the last one here, the Sakura one. What are the odds? I got all these Kit Kats in Japan vacation and try them out here. Ooh, pink. Ooh. I mean, it looks kind of tan here, but it's pink. Pink. I don't know. Ooh. It smells like a flowery soap. Boop. Mm. Very subtle flavor. It's like creamy, creamy like that white chocolate kind of taste with like a hint of, not sure, I've never had that taste before. It's just like, I guess the cherry blossom flavor. It says it's sakura and roasted soybean powder, so it's a very light, creamy taste. It's pretty good. It's more on the sweet side. On the rankings of the sweetness, I'd say the sweetest one is probably this one, apple. And for like flavor wise, this is my favorite. It's like an apple Kit Kat, so good. And this is probably the second sweetest, but it's very light sweet. For my all-time favorite, like just default Kit Kat dark chocolate would do that. Least favorite, too strong of a flavor and it doesn't go well in the texture of the chocolate. The sake ones, I like them both pretty equally. I think I like this one a little more because it's the flavor's more pronounced, I guess. And then this just tastes like a orange chocolate like you can get anywhere but in Kit Kat form, so it's pretty solid. And then this whole grain one or whatever it is wins it for like uniqueness because it's really weird. Like I'd eat it again, but I'm not gonna be craving it. So I think overall the rankings, I'll probably do the apple, dark chocolate, sake, other sake, orange, sakura, wheat, red bean paste, I'd say. Overall, that's a lot of Kit Kats, so I'm content now. Not really much else to say. It was a nice try. I would, for what I would buy again, actually, is the apple, dark chocolate, sake. I would buy those three again, just because they're really good and unique. Really good and unique. Uh, the Sakura one it's all right. It's a nice, like, I guess, a limited edition one. It's pretty good. Um, would not buy this ever again. I wouldn't buy this. And this one, like, if I'm in the mood, I'd buy it, get it. But you can just get that flavored chocolate and anything else. But for Kit Kats, like, this is like insane. Just like, oh, you can smell. It smells like just apple juice. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, that'll do it. Hope you enjoyed the just staring at a camera eating chocolate with my pants drying in the back here and my water kitchen here. This is my olive oil, oli di oil, olia di olia. I don't know, right here. Olive oil. Oh yeah, I got a steamer. Until next time. All right.